I thought I'd do a video on the Samurider rear fender delete kit for a CB1100. This is the factory one that's on it. I have it pulled apart, so there's like 2 bolts in it. Here's the new kit that comes from Samurider. Looks really good. Pretty simple, and it cost like 37,000 yen. I think it came to like 320 bucks, but it looks like it's a really sweet kit, a little bit expensive. Again, here's the factory one, and we'll show you it thrown back on. I don't know, I don't feel like editing this video, so maybe I'll just show you guys. This is already pulled apart most of the way, so I just have 2 bolts in this. Nope, gonna have to edit. So here's the factory fender pulled off. We'll grab the Samurider kit and just show you it in place for right now. And that's the gist of it. There's a foam seal here that looks like it sits well. And so here's it installed.